everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to update USPS mobile app. So updating the USPS application is very important if you want to access new features and smoother performance. It can also help to fix the bugs. So if you want to update the application, what you have to do is launch open Play Store on your device. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. At bottom you'll be able to find various icons over here. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is type in USPS. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. Tap on the application USPS Mobile. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to see two options over here. Right now you can see the option for uninstall and open. If your application is not updated, instead of open option, you'll be able to find the option for update. All you have to do is tap on it. After that, wait for a while and your application will be updated. Once your application has been updated, instead of update option, you'll be able to find the option for open. That means your application has been updated and now you can use the latest version of the application. So that is how you update USPS mobile app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.